To add Calendly to your Wix website, start by logging into your Calendly account and creating a new event type or selecting an existing one. This will provide you with a unique Calendly link that you will use later. Next, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix editor, where you can edit and customize your website. Click on the Add button on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type HTML and click on the HTML iframe option. This will allow you to embed external content, including your Calendly link, into your Wix website. Click on the HTML iframe and drag it to the desired location on your web page. A settings panel will appear, where you can enter the Calendly link you created earlier. Make sure to set the correct width and height for the iframe to ensure it displays properly on your website. You can adjust these settings as needed to fit your design. After adding the Calendly link and adjusting the iframe settings, click on the Apply button to save your changes. Your Calendly scheduling tool is now embedded on your Wix website, allowing visitors to easily schedule appointments with you. To test the integration, preview your website and click on the Calendly scheduling tool to ensure it is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, you can adjust the iframe settings or contact Calendly support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily add Calendly to your Wix website and start streamlining your scheduling process. This integration can help reduce back and forth communication, increase productivity, and provide a better experience for your website visitors.